Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. If you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name is Jen, and on this channel we do makeup and beauty subscription unboxings, mystery bag unboxings, clothing hauls, and vlogs, and a little bit of shop with me, which aren't that great right now, but I'm getting better at it. So anyway, if you are interested in all of those things, please consider subscribing. If you are returning, thank you so much for your support. I truly adore you guys, and I just love making videos and having fun. So yeah. Anyway, today we're going to be unboxing the BoxyCharm Premium for the month of July, and this is an Anastasia Beverly Hills Takeover box. So if you are interested in BoxyCharm and what the Takeover box is all about, then please continue watching. Alright guys, so what is a takeover box? I don't know. I've only been with BoxyCharm, it will be 1 year in August, and this is the July box. So from my understanding, it's when a brand takes over the whole entire box. So everything that you're gonna see in this box is gonna be from that brand only. And I am super excited because it's my first takeover box. I get to share my review with you guys, like it's all natural. All of it is gonna be my first my first review and my first experience, and we get to do this all together. So this box is the $35 a month box. You get 6 to 7 full-sized items, and you get to customize, or at least in this month's box we were able to customize 2 choice items, and you always know which box you get because the color will be different inside. And since this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills box, well, it looks like this is what the inside of the box looks like. So it's very fun, so much fun. And oh, you do always get a card with the month's theme, and also with your variation and prices on the back. Now what is this? You get a buy one get one 50% off at the AnastasiaBeverlyHills.com website. What? Okay. So this is so exciting. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is just, look at how beautiful this packaging is. Alright, so the first thing on top are the eyelashes. So very pretty. Oh my goodness, you guys. These are false lashes, fox seals. Yeah, I don't understand the language in the back, but that's okay. So I don't usually use fake eyelashes, but I do use them. Like, I'm okay with them. I use them on special occasions, or, you know, it just kind of depends. It's not like I don't use them across the board. I just don't generally use them like day to day. So I'm perfectly fine with this. These are gorgeous. Look how wispy they look, and they look like a really good quality, very thick. So I am excited to try these. How much do these go for? Let's see. It'd take me a minute to find it because everything is this brand, liquid lip. Okay, these were $12, so that's a good deal right there. Already on our way. Woo! Okay, and then my choice item was the bronzer, and I believe you could choose from a setting powder, but guys, I have like 4 or 5 setting powders I'm still working on, so this is why I chose the bronzer, and this is in the color Rosewood. So it looked very pretty. I was super excited for this. Oh my gosh. Alright, so Oh, look how gorgeous the packaging is. It's like iridescent. And let's see. Very great. Oh, this is huge. Very good size. Comes with a large sized mirror. And look at how gorgeous this color is. Let's see what that, oh yeah, this is a great color for my skin tone. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's gonna do, yeah, that's gonna be really good for me. I'm happy with that. Yes. Okay, how much was the bronzer? Okay, this was $28 here. So it looks like, you know, these two items here pay for the box. It's a $35 a month box. So I'm really happy with it this far. So I like that. Then we've got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. Okay, this is in the color medium brown. Let's see which way to open. How do we open it? All right, ooh. So here is that. It looks like it's double-sided. Okay, so here is the spoolie brush. So it's very nice and thick, and ooh, I like this. And here is the tip of that. Let's see what that does on the skin. Okay, so it does kind of take a minute to come out, but it does look very nice. It is definitely a deep or darker brown, but I like that because I do have dark brown hair. It's not black, so this is perfect. I like that. This one is $23 for that guy. And then, let's see, we have a couple of small boxes left. Liquid lipstick in the color Malt. So this looks like a brown, which I'm okay with. I'll give it a try. Ooh, look at how pretty. So I did get a, where did it go? Well, I don't, okay, well, I did get a small, like, deluxe size from Ipsy of a nude color, and I absolutely loved it. It was such a great quality. Let's see, here we go. Here is, so it looks like it's kind of a flat applicator, and let's see what this color, ooh, that's really pretty. I definitely think that I will use like a nude colored lip liner and sort of make my own with that, but it is a very gorgeous chocolatey color. Definitely Malt was the name, so yeah, it's got that going on for it. Let's see, where was that? So this was $20 for that guy. Then let's see, we have another small, okay, Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. Ooh, I'm so excited. I had not tried this brand out until I started getting it in these subscription boxes, and I love it. So this is just something else. Okay, so this kind of looks exactly like the Fenty mascara. I'm not mad at it in any way, shape, or form. I am super excited to give this a try, but that's sort of what the packaging looked like. It's very gorgeous packaging, and the brush looks promising. It's almost like it's thick on both ends and then a little thinner in the middle, so I really like that you can go in and grab those hairs. You know, on the outside, you could pull them out just a little bit. What color is this? It doesn't say. Yeah, I don't see that it actually says a color. Let's see how much this is. $25 for that guy. Oh, you guys, this is such a beautiful box. I love it. Okay, and then the last thing, definitely not least by any means, this was a choice item. I will try and put the other option, if I can find it still, on the screen somewhere. But this is a eyeshadow palette. It's in this big, huge box. Okay, let's see. Oh, I love the way that they packaged this, so hopefully it didn't get ruined in shipping. This is the Norvina palette. Look at how gorgeous. This is huge, you guys. Oh my goodness. Come on. Look at my cheeseburger smile. Oh, this is gorgeous. Wow. That's like Christmas in July, even though we're reviewing it in August. Wow, the whole thing is, I mean, look at how big this mirror is. Okay, look at how gorgeous and huge these pans are. Like, this is gonna last you a lifetime. Holy crap. So, wow, I don't even know where to start. There are so many gorgeous colors. The purples in here, like, we're gonna have to go through this because the purples in here are all stunning. Look at that. We have these purples here with a little bit of pink in them, and then we have more of like your lavenders. You have this beautiful, one of my favorite colors here. I like to call it a watermelon pink. We've got that. Look at these beautiful blues in here, and then we have, like, for the fall colors coming up, like we have this like a little bit of a rose, or not rose, but like maybe a little bit of a terracotta type brown with a little bit of red. We have these beautiful like orange colors and yellows. Oh my goodness. I don't even know where to start with this palette, so let's just go ahead and I'm going to do all of the bright colors because why not? Oh yeah. Okay, here are those three bright colors there. Definitely follow me on my Instagram. I'm going to swatch the whole palette over there by video. Oh, look at that. That was just a one time going in, one time, one dip. Look at that. Those are the matte colors, or a matte formula. And then let's go ahead and try some of these shimmers. We're definitely doing the blue, and let's go ahead and do, there's like this peachy gold color, and then let's try, ooh, why not? We're gonna do a gold and we're gonna do a pink. Okay, look at all of these stunning colors with the shimmer. I think this one is my favorite right now. Okay, let's see if I have enough room on my arm here. Ooh, so this blue, it's kind of a matte color, but it has a sparkle in there. You can't see it on camera, which I'm really sad about. But let me get these other colors going. Ooh, look at all of those. Alright, so I'm a little disappointed in this blue because it's a little bit chalky, and when I blew it off, the sparkle or the shimmer went away. But I don't know if you can see that there. So that one, I feel like you're just gonna have to work with it. I think it's more, it's definitely gonna look more of a matte color than a shimmer. But you know, I'm not disappointed by any means. I mean, they all swatched really well, one swatch. So I will definitely be using these eyeshadows as a makeup look in some of my videos. And like I said, definitely follow me on Instagram for the full palette swatch. Let's go ahead and do a recap of what we got for $35 in the takeover box. So we got this palette. Oh, I forgot to give you the price. Let's see. This was $60 by itself, so wow, huge, great value here. So we got the full-sized palette, we got the bronzer, the lashes, the mascara, the liquid lipstick, and the brow pencil. So we got, what did we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this month's box, we got 6 full-sized items for $35. I'm not mad at it. This is amazing. I love that it was all makeup because my base box was all skincare, and I ended up only keeping the lip pencil and the golden highlighter, so I only kept 2 things out of that box. Yeah, it was a bummer. So this one, I am so in love with it. I love the takeover box. I love the idea. I love the theme, and I loved all of the products. So let me know what you guys got in your takeover box, what you thought about this variation, and if you are interested in getting BoxyCharm. Like I said, $35 for all of this, and I will put the full value over here somewhere so we know what we got. All right, you guys, thank you again for joining me. Please like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and we will see you in our next video. Bye, guys.